How to fix people can't hear you on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix people not being able to hear you on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll first check if our Bluetooth is turned on or not. Now, since our Bluetooth can get connected to our wireless devices like our AirPods, that can be the reason why people can't hear you. So just turn off your Bluetooth. So let's say if it's turned on, simply tap on Bluetooth to turn it off. Or you can simply head over to your settings. Let me go back again. Okay, so head over to your settings and there you will see the Bluetooth option. Tap on Bluetooth and check if it's connected to any devices. If it is, you can simply turn off the Bluetooth or simply disconnect from the device. So I'll just turn off my Bluetooth, and after doing that, just check if people can hear you or not. If that does not work, head over to your settings again, head over to general, and on the general, scroll down all the way till you find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and tap on reset. After you tap on reset, reset all of your settings, and after doing that, your problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and